possible experiments by using simulation. So, ngayon, pwede mo nang yung mga imposible noon, possible na ngayon, by using simulation. So, employment, it creates new jobs like